everyone. I'm out here at the trail today. I know I said I was gonna go to other places, but this is what I got for now. So thank you for joining me. Welcome to episode 4 of Nature with Photosmith. Well, as you can see, Florida is doing its thing again here with the rain, but we definitely do need it though. It looks pretty atrocious all the way around. I'm hoping I got, at least a good hour or so out here and I'll be happy. So I did say, I don't want to go to the trail anymore. I don't want my viewers to become bored. Well, this is what I got, like I said, for now. I had some developments in my personal life today and I had to take care of those. So instead of me trying to go somewhere else today on my day off, this is where I end up going. So got a little bit of rain out here. Obviously we got some puddles, nothing too bad. Looks like some type of egret there. All right, let me walk in a little bit and then I'll be back. Algae bloom is back. It's pretty nasty here. Just a few days ago, maybe the other day actually, there was a gator over here, but now look at this. Ugh. It's pretty rough. I'm guessing maybe they distribute some water through that. I don't know. I don't know what that's all about there. Sorry, I'm gonna get a gimbal soon. It'll fix that shake that I got going on. I'd come out here the other day and I got some good shots. I started a video. I was gonna do episode 4 then, but I don't know, I just wasn't feeling it, so I didn't really record much footage. It's not too hot right now, thankfully, because of the clouds. But I do have some footage that I took that day. I might put it at the end of this video, a little bit of blooper stuff, potentially. I don't see much of anything out here right now. That's okay. Back to work for me tomorrow. Life has really become complicated for me lately. I said that in another video. I'm doing the best I can. I'm taking care of my kids, working to make ends meet, mortgage, all the other stuff. So it's rough, and then I got a lot of stuff just coming in right now and making things a little more difficult. A lot of home visits and things like that, so it's pretty stressful. I usually deal with it pretty well, although I'm not, you know, perfect. I am human, so I just want it to be simple again, simple like it is when you come out here. So beautiful. It could be overcast, it could be sunny, it doesn't matter. Mother Nature never fails to impress. The things that can get thrown at you in any given moment out here. Grackle flying across right there. I think I'm going to start selling some of my photos, doing art pieces. Some of my photos really go with that well, like just they look, you know, like they could be a nature artistic piece. That's what I really want to do. Fingers again. Oh, that's really what I want to do, though, is you know, stop the 9 to 5, you know, and do what I love to do and make money at it. We got us a marsh rabbit. He's over here just chilling, getting them some food. Look at him. Oh. He's oblivious to me right now, but he knows he can run away in an instant and get into that brush, so. Very beautiful. We'll leave him alone. I feel like taking a shot of him, so I'll just let him do his thing. Looks like he's having a good meal. You know, you don't like being interrupted when you're eating, do you? Exactly. There's a spot here somewhere in these reeds. I don't know if it's still there because this stuff changes all the time. Somewhere in here, I think it was right here where this little cut path is right here. And it used to be a stump right out there. And that's where I got one of my first anhinga shots with my Nikon. And it turned out pretty decent. It had its wings open, it was drying them, and I just really like it. I did it in black and white as well, and I think that would be a good artistic piece for, like, you know, a doctor's office or somebody's house, you know. That would be nice. I don't know. If you don't try, you never know if you'll succeed at it, so I need to give it my all. Keep at it. Look at this. I always meeting somebody. There's Lily again. She got one of her sons out here. I'll be back in a bit. Just out here walking with her, I think it's her older son. Here. Yeah, she's been doing that now for a while. It's actually good though. It's good exercise. I know she wants to keep going and, you know, on her weight loss journey that she's doing, so I'm all for that. You know, people, you know, doing something to better themselves. There's nothing wrong with it, as long as you're not hurting anybody in the process. Well, we got a Mr. Blue Heron over here. I've taken a lot of photos at this spot with great blues, but I'm not gonna do it right now. He's just chilling. Also hear some gators out here. But I don't see anything. What's going on, Mr. Heron? Am I going to be a bully for a third time? Probably. They sure are mouthy. They let you know. If I could only understand what he was saying. Oh, look at this. He didn't fly as far as I thought he did. He went and landed on this post over here. I'm actually going to try to take this shot right now. That would actually be really cool. So, I will be in a second. Did get a few photos of Mr. Heron on that pole, and hopefully it'll turn out really nice. Just noticed as I walked forward, there's a gallinoo right here in the grass just chilling, so I'm going to try to take a shot of him as well. I'll be back. So the gallinoo got away. We ran really fast, but right here's another great blue heron, so I'm gonna try to get him to flush and fly, and I'll be right back. Shot of that great blue heron when he was flying away. And yes, I know I'm a big bully, I'll say it once more. But it was worth it though. I think that's gonna be a nice shot. I just wish there was some really nice sun out here, because it would have been incredible. Gallinoo just flew away on me. I think the same great blue heron has landed over here on this side, and I'm going to try to flush him once more, and I'll leave the poor guy alone. So I'll be right back, y'all. I captured a few. I don't know how good they were. I did miss an opportunity for some ibis that were flying. It's okay. I'm going up toward the cypress swamp side just because it has that hut for protection in case it rains. So I'm going to keep going that way. Oh, we got a female grackle here. Let me see if I can get her. They're out in full force tonight again. And they love to buzz my head. It's like mini flying piranha. They just chew on you. I'm keeping my eye out for flying birds. That's what I really want to get. Stationary birds, they're okay, you know, doing their natural thing, but I really want to get ones in flight. I cut real quick because there was a bird in flight actually coming at me. It looked like one of those whistling ducks. It's like trying to do the vlog and then trying to shoot and be quick about it. I need to be able to get out of my camera fast and then switch to my Nikon so I can shoot pictures. I mean, it's barely sprinkling, so I'm happy. Thought I saw something there. I did bring a garbage bag just in case. Thought I heard something at my back for a second. I don't see anything. Believe it or not, lugging this thing around, it gets old. It's pretty heavy. And if you got a bad shoulder like me, yeah, that's why I take it off a lot. Also, I can have it at the ready too. I didn't bring my sling, I forgot. More gnats. Ugh. This bird just waddling away. I'm gonna catch up with you. Trying to tell me something? He's a playful sucker. He's just not really too scared of me. He's just following me. Oh, see you later. Animals, they have their own personality sometimes. You know why I love animals so much is you don't usually get back talk from them. You don't get drama. All they're doing is trying to survive, trying to live their life. I mean, there are animals that try to one-up each other and try to mess the other one over. But for the most part, you know, they're more real than most people. Alright, so the rain is starting to come down now. It's a little bit heavier. Not bad enough right now. I still have a little bit of a ways to go to the little hut. I'm not going to get too excited right now because I don't see a wall like I did the other day. So, on episode 1. So I'll just keep walking for now. And I'll be back in a bit. It's like the bad weather's coming in, y'all. And I might have to cut this this episode short, unfortunately. You win some, you lose some. Keep walking. The hut's right up there. And hopefully I don't get too wet here. Obviously, I didn't learn anything from the first episode. I had to run my butt off. And then now the rain has kind of subsided. So, but I'm gonna wait for a few minutes and see what happens. Like I said, shouldn't come to the trail unless you're really wanting to get wet if there's clouds in the sky, especially like it has been the last week. I definitely would have loved to gotten more shots and gotten more you know, better shots because of the sunlight being out. But it's still cool nonetheless. It was an adventure. It made me run again, and I usually don't run anymore. My back and things. So there's a nice breeze going on right now. It's very nice, very beautiful, even though, you know, it is raining. So I'm gonna try not to end the episode here, y'all. I'm gonna try to make it back a little further and hopefully get something else for the day. But if not, it is what it is. All right, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Man, I got a little bit wet, but not too bad. My camera got a little bit on it as well, but it's good. I brought the bag, but I didn't have time to swap it out. I just ran like crazy. Always an adventure. Maybe somebody's telling me I need to get back into running again. So maybe I'll learn my lesson one of these days. This is the second time I've gotten wet. I thought I would be okay, and I surely wasn't. Mother Nature decided to diss me. All right, guys, I'll be back in a bit. I'm getting close to the end. I can see the gate up front here. I did get a couple opportunities on a anhinga that was on a different type of bush. I don't know what it was, but it looks promising, even with the bad lighting. There might have been a couple other things, but I'll review it when I get home and see. Looks like somebody else is out here. I always see this truck here, always out here. I believe he comes out here and runs a lot. Good exercise. Such a shame we're getting all these rainy days, at least for the photography aspect. My grass is like 3 shades of brown, but it's starting to get better with all this rain. Look. So beautiful. And there's another one over here. Only if I could fly, or any of us could fly for that matter. It'd be amazing. that freedom. So back there was like 4 deer, there was 3 does, and it looked like a fawn just standing in the field back there. I don't know how good it's gonna come out. I mean, I was shooting pretty long. Well, I'll just have to wait and see. It was pretty cool though. I haven't seen that many deer together in this part of the trail before. Behind the fence, down by the spillway side, I've seen them, but I've never seen them right up here like that. So we're coming to the end here, y'all, and I'll see you in a minute. That's the end of our walk for the day. It was a good walk. We had some good opportunities. Got a little wet, but that's all part of the adventure. So remember, if you like this video, like below. If you like the content on this channel, subscribe. And if you want to see more videos from Photosmith, click the bell icon. Stay tuned after the video for some bloopers. Y'all have a good one. Oh shit! So what made you want to do crafts and things like that? Yeah, what you always had an interest in that?
I always liked to paint since I was little.
Yeah.
And then I went from like landscaping to more like animals, like wildlife.
Right. Gnats.
There's lots of gnats.
So it's coming down here, y'all. I don't know if we're gonna be able to go out to the trail or not. My friend Lily's out there and she says that that it's not raining out there. I do not see that, how that's not raining out there. I guess we'll see.